watching First Up Philippines. Tacloban never knew what hit them when Typhoon Yolanda came. Images of suffering have created such an impact on one businessman that he made it his priority to help the city recover after the tragedy. I sat with one of the founders of Hope Now Foundation, Manny O. So tell us, how did this Yolanda Rebuild program start?
One evening I was really in front of the television, and I didn't realize I was so emotional watching so many people helpless and hopeless with this disaster. And at that moment, the Lord just impressed burden in my heart that I cannot just be doing what I normally do, to give, whenever there's a disaster, to give some donation. But I realized I had to do something more sustainable.
How many houses have you built, and how many communities?
We've completed 3 communities, 120 houses. The first community that was done was Northern Cebu in Madredejos, Bantayan Island. The second community awarded was in Alang-Alang, Divisoria, Leyte, which is about 30 minutes drive south of Tacloban. And then the third community was the one affected by the big earthquake in Bohol. That was like 5 weeks apart from Yolanda, in Sagbayan, Bohol.
So how did you do that? How did you provide livelihood to these people?
So what we've already delivered and awarded almost 60 fishing boats with motors to the ones who are near the fishing, the communities near the fishing villages.
And you've actually moved further from just providing housing and livelihood. Now you're also creating hospital on wheels. So tell us about that.
There's a lot of donated medicine. There's a lot of volunteer doctors, nurses, but there were no medical facilities. So I said, maybe I should start the hospital on wheels. If Muhammad don't go to the mountain, you bring the mountain to Muhammad.
What do these hospitals on wheels look like?
We want to build 2 types of units. No? Of course, first of all, it has to be all-terrain, because during calamity, you cannot select roads. So it has to go even without roads. So that's why the vehicle we have selected is Mercedes-Benz.
Wow.
Zitros. The width is 9 feet.
So when you say everything, it has all the supplies, equipment, medicine that a hospital would have.
It's like you walk into an emergency room of a first-class hospital. We call it the triage unit. Then you cannot look for power when there's disaster. So it's self-sufficient. You cannot look for water. So there's going to be a water filtration system that you can take water from the canal and it makes fresh water.
These will be available also in Cebu area, in the Visayas area, or do you intend to put it also
will be deployed
everywhere?
all over the Philippines. We want it to be deployed we will contract with LCT operators like barges, Ro-Ro barges, so that when there's a calamity, it could be deployed within 48 hours.
All right, thank you very much, Manny O, for joining us today, and good luck on your upcoming project.
Thank you very much, Steve.
Thank you.
Thank you.